Hi, Piggy.
Hi, doggy.
Hi. Today is the fourth day in Mosul. What can I find? I found that there's a museum and a primary school here. I'm not quite sure if I can get a video of the primary school, but for the museum, I think I can get a peek at it. The ecology here must be very good. Otherwise, you won't see the sign of snakes.
Hi, Lotus.
This museum, that is about the history and the culture of the Menba and Luoba people, was founded by officials from Fujian province in 2012. There's a model of the local terrain, and over there, the highest peak, over there, that is a famous Mount Nanjabawa. In the very beginning, Menba people believe in primitive religion, but now most of them believe in Tibetan Buddhism, and few of them believe in Om. That is a barn that's a stilted house, probably because of the snakes and other dangerous animals. The thatch is a first-generation building. A dancer would put on a wooden mask like this to perform. Look at the size of this horn. I think it's taller than me. Here are some other music instruments. A model of the Rantan Bridge used to be above the Yalongzangbo River. The famous stone pot. Is that a ladle? Oh no, it's just a big stirrer. A loom, traditional clothes, a wall of wooden bowls and bamboo bowls. Bamboo containers, a basket, and Piggy! Hi, Piggy! This lake is in the shape of a heart. I don't think you can see these things other than in the museum. There's a statue of a porter here. It's the last county in China that was connected by a highway. Metog was isolated. Things were transported by porters when there are no mules or horses. You can see up to 5 biomes here in Metog, from snow-capped mountains to tropical jungles. Even on top of the museum, you can see these different biomes. Look! A rainbow! Do you see the rainbow? It's amazing! Hi, Rainbow! How do you like the trip today?